What's up, all my chef and chefettes? It's your boy, Chef Paul. I'm back in the Chaney kitchen. Yes, I am. Oh, I got something good today. Oh, yes, I do. You know, we're still in quarantine, and but we're starting to come back. And so I thought, give them something, Chaney. Give them something. People are back working out, and give them something that really will soothe their soul. So I got a classic for you today. So, I want you to think, when you think about America, you think about three things. You think about ice cream. You think about baseball. And when you think about baseball, you got to think about the St. Louis Cardinals in the National League, and you got to think about my Yankees over there in the American League. When I think of those two things, I almost, it's similar to thinking about University of Alabama football. Or it's like the Lakers or the Bulls or the Celtics when it comes to basketball. So when you think about baseball, you got to think about the Cardinals because they've won a lot. And you also think about the New York Yankees. They've won a lot. And then the last thing, apple pie. Ah, did you say apple pie? That's it. Ice cream, baseball, apple pie when you think about America. So stay with me today. I got apple pie Chaney style. Woo! I got some ingredients I'm going to put together. I got a guest star that's going to join me here in the Chaney kitchen. Help me put this apple pie together. So stay with me, friends. All right, all my chef and chefettes. It's your boy, Chef Paul. I'm back. Hey, we're going to go ahead and get started with this classic, the Chaney apple pie. Oh, the Chaney apple pie. But like I told you guys, I got a special guest here in the Chaney kitchen. Joining me is none other than my daughter, Peyton Alexis Chaney. All right, she's cooking with me today. What you got to say, baby?
Hey, all my chef and chefettes. It's great to be here with my dad, Chef Paul. Very excited to make this apple pie. Hey, let's get it started, Dad.
All right, let's tell them what the ingredients are.
Okay.
All right, so she's gonna be my Vanna White for today. She's gonna show you guys. It's real simple and easy. But let's start out. First, you gotta have the Granny Smith apple. It has to be Granny Smith. You know why?
Why, Dad?
Because Granny Smith has that real tart flavor, and when you mix it with the rest of the ingredients, oh, it just comes out so good. You put that brown sugar on it, it caramelizes that apple and just brings the taste out. So I said the Granny Smith apple. Also, we have the brown sugar. You want to go with a half a cup of brown sugar. Also, you want to go to half a cup of white sugar. Got to have your 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Unsalted. Oh, they almost went down, but what a catch. Then you also have to have a 1/4 cup of water. You got to have a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Of course, your pie crust, and either you can make your pie crust, but today, we went the easy route. We bought the pie crust. And then also your pie pan to put the pie in. So those are your ingredients. So really about 7 to 8 ingredients, and we're gonna put this together. Oh, it is so good.
Oh, I know it's gonna be good.
So stay with us, and next we're gonna show you what to do with this mixture. All right, all my chef and chefettes. All my chef and chefettes, it's your boy, Chef Paul, and I'm back. So I got Peyton, she's working on adding all the ingredients. First, you get your butter in there. You start to melt your butter. Then you add your brown sugar in. Once you add your brown sugar in, she's just going to whisk that up. And as she starts to whisk that up, she'll start adding in next, after that, the white sugar. And get all these ingredients going in this pan, in this frying pan at the same time. There you go. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Nothing like some good white sugar added to brown sugar and butter. And then she'll give that a whisk. And then we'll add in the water. And that butter is still melting, so it's starting to come together. There you go. Oh, man, look at that. And then she'll give that a whisk. There you go. Oh, you learned it from your daddy.
I learned from the best.
That's right. And then you want to add in your cinnamon. That 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Let that cinnamon mix all around in there. Give it that flavor. Give it that good cinnamon flavor. Whisk that up. And as Peyton starts to whisk that up, I'm getting this pie crust together. And then we're going to come back and assemble this pie to put into the oven. All my chef and chefettes, it's your boy, Chef Paul. I'm back. I'm with my special guest here, my daughter, Peyton Alexis, and we are here putting together this apple pie. So Peyton is done with that part. She has all the ingredients together. We have it here in this container. And the next part of the process, this way you get all of that flavor inside of the pie. You pour, just drizzle a little bit, just around the outside, Peyton, and then put a little bit on the inside. Oh, look at that. That right there, woo, you see that going in? Oh, man. A little bit on the inside. Oh, yeah, just a little bit right here. Oh, yeah. And then after this, we're going to put that pie crust on. And you know what? We're going to pop it in the oven for about 45 minutes. And when it comes out, what I tell you, baseball, apple pie, and ice cream. You can't live in America without those three. Those three things.
Woo!
Baseball, ice cream,
and apple pie.
Ah!
It's gonna be good, Dad. It's
It's
gonna
gonna be real good. We'll be right back, so stay with us. All right, all my chef and chefettes, it's your boy Chef Paul. I'm back. Here we go, the final part before we pop this pie into the oven. So as you can see, Peyton and I, we got the pie all set. We got the lattice design, and we've already poured a little bit of the ingredients inside. Now Peyton is going to go ahead and pour the rest of it in. Oh, all of that flavor just soaking up into those apples, and it's gonna get some of it on the crust. Oh, I'm telling you, oh, every piece that you put into your mouth, you're gonna taste that flavor. Oh man, Chaney apple pie. Don't forget that. What is it, Peyton? I can't hear you.
It's the Chaney apple pie.
She said it, the
Woo!
Chaney apple pie. Oh man. And when we're gonna put that ice cream on top, when it comes out of the oven, it's gonna be good and hot. That ice cream's gonna melt.
Woo-hoo.
Only thing I'm missing is a good Cardinal baseball game or a good Yankee baseball game. Woo!
Woo!
All right, we got the oven set. You start out at 425. We're gonna put it in there for 15 minutes at 425. After 15 minutes, we're gonna crank that oven down to 350, and then we're gonna let it go for another 30 to 35, maybe 40 minutes. You just want that crust to be golden brown and flaky. So again, 425 on your oven, 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you tell Alexa or whoever it's time to reduce that heat down to 350 and put it in for another 30 to 35 minutes. So we're going to pop this in, and we're going to come right back to you, and we're going to show you a beautiful golden brown apple pie. Three things: baseball, ice cream,
and apple pie.
woo! Oh, man.
Woo!
All right, all my chef and chefettes, we are here. The door is open, the pie is done, Peyton is pulling it out. Pull that on out, let them see
Woo!
what we have here. Oh man, look at this.
Now this is a pie.
That's a pie right there.
Woo!
So what we have to do, we have to wait for about 40 minutes, let it cool, and then we're gonna cut into it and get that ice cream. Woo!
Woo!
Apple pie and ice cream.
Okay.
All right.
It's gonna be good.
All right, all my chef and chefettes, it's your boy Chef Paul. We got the finished product right here. I even have my niece, she joined us, and we're going to jump into it and taste this apple pie. Remember, three things for Americans: baseball, apple pie, and ice cream. And we got two of the three right here. So let's dig in, y'all.
All right.
Let's give it a try. Get a little ice cream, get a little pie, mix it together. Whoa. Oh, man. Oh.
That's good. That's it right there.
Oh.
That's it.
Oh.
Woo!
You got to.
Yeah,
Apple
go ahead.
pie and ice cream. Woo, man. Y'all taste the apples?
Yeah.
What
I
about the
taste it.
crust?
All of it.
Yeah.
The
You
crunch,
taste the cinnamon?
the
brown
brown
sugar.
sugar. Yep, that's it.
Oh, man. And that ice cream, I can't tell you what brand it is, but it's one of the good brands. It's good. Mixed with that,
Woo!
did we do it?
We did it.
We did it. Oh, we did it. Oh, we did it. Apple pie, ice cream. Make sure for your Memorial Day party, follow Chef Chaney's recipe, make your apple pie. And you know what? You're going to be the hit of the party. Hey, don't forget, follow me on YouTube, Chef Chaney. Email me at chefchaney1911@gmail.com. And you know what? Do me a favor. Send this video on to someone else. Let's get the word out. Let them know about Chef Chaney's apple pie. It's a classic. Appreciate you. All right, all my chef and chefettes. Till my next video, we're going to say hasta la vista.